So yep, we did it. Did what? Well, the things look much different, I hope. Camera quality, lighting. Yeah, we're still going to work through some of the growing pains and trying to get things lined out, especially with doing live streams and everything else, learning the different equipment. And one thing, we have a new desk that showing some different ways where we can work on different things, and that way you can see it a little better and get a better idea of different products and different things we do, from soldering and whatever, getting back into doing some DIY projects. And the desk actually was by Tacklife, and I do appreciate they did send the desk to us. It is one of those sit and stand desks. And that just makes it great, because sometimes I'm doing the sitting thing, and then sometimes we'll be doing the standing thing and show, say, whether it be a camera or an NVR or smart switch or whatever, and we can automatically pull the desk up and have the camera equipment and lights right there and stand, and pretty cool be able to show the products in a better light of how things really are, instead of that kind of other way we had to do it. Lay down. Wait. I did notice one little piece of damage on the bottom, but luckily it was on the bottom. That may have happened during shipping, and well, everything else came out correct. It's stupid simple to install. Yeah, the little Allen wrench they do give you with it typically, and some of this stuff sucks. Well, it's one board piece to it. It does support 150 pounds. So yeah, well, we did. You know we did. Still fun. Now, the only complaint really I had on the desk itself was the mount for the power supply. Just felt kind of cheap. You just hung it there and it kind of flops around, but yeah, it's under the desk. I do wish they had a longer power cord to it, and because we had some issues of trying to run it under the desk and over to the side, they do give you some hangers on the side. That way you can hang your excess wires for your screens or whatever, because of course you're going to be bringing the desk up and down. Now, there are two buttons on the bottom left and right. You can put it back to left or right, however you want. And it uses like a little Cat 5 jack to push the button back and forth. And I know what you're already thinking, because I definitely thought it was maybe put some read limit switches so I know exactly where it would be and it would just stop. That's exactly what I want to do with it, and I could just control it from here. We got to make everything smart, right? Tacklife did send this to us for review. Pretty cool desk. I didn't really have any major issues with it, as I said. We'll leave the link down in the video description below. And I do appreciate Tacklife for sending this, and definitely check it out. And y'all take care. You feel the button? It's underneath. You broke it? Push the other one.